Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change Apple ID password. So in order to do that, first of all launch settings on your iPhone, then tap on your Apple ID name on settings on top. Now once you come here, you'll simply see the option of sign in and security. Tap on it. Now once you come here, you'll see the option of change password right here. Let's tap on it. Now you have to enter your iPhone's passcode in order to continue. Now after this, you simply have to enter your new password and then verify your password again. Make sure that your Apple ID password meets the criteria given below. After entering in these two fields, tap on the option of change at the top right corner, and then you will be able to change your Apple ID password. So this is it for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.